Choosing a company for window construction projects. To get the best results on a window construction project in East Hampton, New York, it's essential to partner with a reliable local supplier you can count on from start to finish. Here's what you need to know to choose the best one. You need to evaluate the dealer's supplier's product line. They should only offer you the best double-hung windows from the industry's leading manufacturers suitable for your Suffolk County home. The supplier should also have a process in place that guarantees a smooth order with no hiccups. If they aren't triple-checking every stage of your order, ensuring accuracy, run for the hills. You'll also want to ensure they offer after-sales service. A great supplier will go the distance, helping with the warranty claim process if something goes wrong with the product or installation. Because only the best suppliers rely on industry-leading manufacturers, they'll also have superior warranties. These manufacturers genuinely believe in their products and aren't afraid to stand behind them with rock-solid guarantees. Here at Rockman Windows Doors, we ensure you'll have the smoothest order experience for your East Hampton, New York window construction project. Call us today at 914-909-9430 to schedule a consultation.